Hi, and welcome to the fourth video of our Managing Your PPO Lifecycle track. In this video, we'll explore adding links in the lifecycle. Now, what kind of links can you add? I will show you how to add links to other SVG pages, to documents, to websites, email addresses, PPO entities, as well as reports and dashboards. Now, let's start by showing you how to link to another SVG page. So, to add links as an administrator, you will have access to the edit icon here on the left hand side. A normal user, when accessing the lifecycle, will not see that icon. So, to add links, you need to be in edit mode. So, click on the edit icon, and after the page has refreshed, you will notice that the page name has changed to Lifecycle Edit. So, to add a link, click on the icon where you want to add the link. So I'm going to click on the executing icon, and after having clicked on the icon, you will notice the process step and link sections opening on the right hand side of your page. So now to link to another SVG page, click on the pencil and the add process step window will then open. Under the page heading, select the SVG page that you want to link to. So now you'll also understand why it's important to name all your SVG pages accordingly, so that you know when adding links which pages to link to. So I'm now going to select the execution stage and then ensure that my icon is set to clickable. Then click on my add process step icon. Once the page is refreshed on the right hand side, you can now verify that the link is correct, but as an administrator setting up the links, you need to return to view mode in order for you to test whether the link is working. Click on the view icon, the page refreshes and you will notice your page name again has changed to view. Now click on the executing icon and test whether you are taken to the correct SVG page. And you will indeed see that your link has worked. So now on your SVG page, it's always a good idea to have a way to be able to get back to a previous page or back to a landing page. So either you add little arrows here at the bottom so that you can easily navigate between the pages, or you have a little house or a link in order for you to always be able to return back to the landing page. So always just keep that in mind when building these processes to make it easy for the user to navigate between the different stages in the process. The next link that we will do is to link to a document. Now, when linking to documents, make sure that they have already been uploaded to PPO. Another tip I want to leave with you is, if I add links in the lifecycle, I normally open two tabs here at the top. The one I always have open on the lifecycle side, and the other one I have open in the sections in PPO where I want to link to. So I'm going to click on my second tab, and what we're doing now is linking to a document. So I'm going to use my quick page locator and access my documents. From the document list, I will then locate the document that I want to link to. So I have on my templates and methodology project uploaded a document which is called the project plan template. So somewhere in my life cycle, I want to link the user to this project plan template so that they can use it during the execution of their project. So I'm going to click on the project plan template, and if I want to link to documents in PPO, that's the second link we are doing, I only need to copy everything in the relative path. Now, what is the relative path? That is everything from after the instance name. So when linking to this document which has already been uploaded, I copy this relative path. I can stop up until the document key, or I can go right to the end. Right click, copy the URL, and then return to my first tab where I've got it open on the lifecycle. So now I want to link to the project plan template from the kickoff execution process step. So I want to click on edit, and once the page refreshes, click on the icon. The process step and link sections open again on the right hand side. Click on the pencil, and from the add process step window, enter the title of the process step and enter the description. Remember, the user is going to read through all of this and they need to understand exactly what needs to be done at this stage in the process. when reading through your descriptions. So once you've entered the description, the page will stay on the current page as we are not linking to another SVG page, but the icon still needs to be set to be clickable, and then click on an Add Process Step icon. The page refreshes and you'll notice all the information that you've added here. Under the Links section, click on the green plus sign, click on the pencil, and then in the link box, paste the link to the project plan template, and in the description, enter the description as the user will see it on their side. Once happy with everything entered, click on the Add Link icon. Now to test whether the link is working, return back to View mode, and then this is what the user will see when they access the kickoff execution process step. So they will now see a title, a description, and a link to the project plan template. So if they click on this project plan template link, it will redirect them to the document view page for this project plan template. They can then come and download it, mail it to themselves, or click on the physical file. The next link I'm going to show you is how to link to a website. So I'm going to click on Edit, and then under my Links section, click on the green plus sign again, click on the pencil, and when entering links to websites, remember to add http:// and then followed by the URL of the website that you are linking to, and then the description for the user, and then click on the Add Link icon. If you wanted to also link to your intranet site, remember to copy the entire URL and enter it under the link section. If you want to link to an email address, that's the next link we're going to show you. So click on the green plus sign, click on our pencil, and in the link box, enter the word mail to, : and then followed by the email address. Enter the description for the user, and once happy, click on the Add Link icon. The fifth link we're going to show you is how to link to a PPO entity. So maybe as part of the kickoff execution process step, you want to show the user to the project list where they can go update their project information. So on my second tab, I'm going to navigate to the projects entity. So I'm going to click on the projects menu item, and from the project list, I'm going to again copy the relative path. So that's everything from after the instance name. Now why do you only need to copy the relative path and not the entire URL? Now the reason for that is, let's say your instance name changes. So currently I'm on the Acme instance, and let's assume your company name changes to Acme Limited. So now you ask our support team to rename your PPO instance to Acme Limited. Now if you have copied that entire URL and you have entered that in your Lifecycle, and you now go and access your Lifecycle again, all the links will be broken. Why? Because it will be referring to an instance that no longer exists. So please don't copy the entire URL, only always copy the relative path. So now once I'm happy with my selection, right click, copy, go back to my first tab, and under the links section, add another link, click on the pencil, paste my link that I've copied, and enter the description for the user. Once happy, click on the Add Link icon. Lastly, you also want to link to reports and dashboards within PPO. So the same rule applies. So let's say on our kickoff execution process step, we want to link to the portfolio view dashboard. So click on my second tab, access the dashboards menu item. From the dashboard drop-down list, select the portfolio view, and then if I want to link to the portfolio view, take everything after the instance name. So only the relative path, so only that section. So once you're happy, copy, return back to the first tab, add another link, click on the pencil, enter the link, and enter the description for the user. Once happy, click on the Add Link icon. Always test all your links. So once you're happy, click on the View icon, and now make sure that all your links are working. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you learned a lot about adding links in the lifecycle.
Learn more about PPO today by visiting us at projectportfoliooffice.com. PPO, your award-winning project management solution.